In a world where education is the cornerstone for progress, we envision no child left behind, regardless of their circumstances. Welcome to TechnicBox, our tangible solution to global education disparity. TechnicBox is the product of our experiences mentoring underprivileged students worldwide. With our backgrounds spanning tutoring, robotics, and international outreach, we've seen firsthand the need for accessible, engaging, hands-on STEM learning. TechnicBox embodies this mission and is only the beginning of a larger narrative we're excited to share. Each TechnicBox, curated for a specific field of STEM, is packed with interactive projects. These projects transform abstract concepts into tangible realities, making learning a fun exploration. We're passionate about TechnicBox because we believe in the power of education. It's not just a box. It's an opportunity that fosters curiosity, nurtures potential, and bridges education disparity. TechnicBox is our answer to the UN's Sustainable Development Goal of quality education. We aim to reach students across underrepresented communities in Ukraine, the Middle East, and Africa, bolstering the global STEM education landscape. How will we use the $3,000 funding from IB? Following our current budget estimates, we will spend $384, $510, and $400 will go towards creating engineering, chemistry, and biology boxes, respectively. We set aside $1,080 for shipping to ensure our boxes reach even the most remote areas. $100 will cover packaging, and $400 set aside to obtain a 501c3 status to formalize our nonprofit commitment. Let's peek inside our boxes. An engineering box, for example, will cost a total of $52, which includes a flashlight, soldering kit, and a screwdriver set. The biology box will cost a total of $54, which includes a microscope and lab samples. And the chemistry box will cost a total of approximately $67, which includes a cast iron pan, tin, indium, and gallium. TechnicBox is not a standalone initiative. It's a collaboration that merges the expertise of student-organized academic refinement, or SOAR, with the international reach and technical prowess of EPIC Labs and ITKEN Robotics. Together, we've achieved substantial progress, tutoring over 2,000 students and reaching 30-plus countries. But we're not stopping there. We're scaling up, leveraging our collective strengths to provide not just mentorship, but tangible, hands-on STEM experience. Our vision extends beyond boxes. We're expanding SOAR's tutoring network, harnessing the expertise of robotics teams from EPIC Labs and ITKEN, and collaborating with professors. All work together to empower underprivileged STEM communities worldwide. Because education isn't just a collective effort, it's a global victory. We are TechnicBox. Help us transform dreams into realities, one box at a time. Together, let's build a sustainable future of equality and innovation.